Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be covering another important topic one learns when learning a new language. How to talk about different people in the target language. More specifically, words for family and family members. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to talk about different family members in 10 languages. Here we go! Fótær, fótær, Tata, Tata, Mittir, Mittir, Mamma, Mamma, Bríðir, Bríðir, שוועסטער, שוועסטעر, משפחה, משפחה, Familie, Familie, Faðir, Faðir, móðir, móðir, Bror, Bror, Søster, Søster, Familie, Familje, Isa, Isa, Äiti, Äiti, Veli, Veli, Sisko, Sisko, Perhe, Perhe, Abba, Abba, Ima, Ima, Ach, Ach, Aחות, אחות, משפחה, משפחה, Faðir, Faðir, móðir, móðir, Bror, Bror, Syster, Syster, Familj, Familj, Far, Far, mór, mór, Bror, Bror, Søster, Søster, Familie, Familje, Faðir, Faðir, móðir, móðir, bróðir, bróðir, systur, systur, fjölskylda, fjölskylda, Athair, Athair, máðir, máðir, bróðir, bróðir, fjölskylda, fjölskylda, Čolach, Čolach, otec, otec, matka, matka, brátir, brátir, sestra, sestra, rodina, rodina, Vater, Vater, Mutter, Mutter, Brüder, Brüder, Schwester, Schwester, Familie, Familie. That's it for today. What topic would you like to see me cover? Let me know in the comments below. Tack för idag, lehitraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!